Imagine, if you will, in the 1890s, a town of around 3,000 people that contained a post office, 4 stores, a school, 2 butchers, 2 bakers, a police station with stables and a lockup, a blacksmith shop, a coaching station and 5 hotels. There was also around 500 miners that came in quite often from out of their bush gold mines surrounding the area. The mail coach came through twice a week on the run from Glen Innes to Grafton. A progress committee ran the town. During the 1890s, Dalmorton was an incredibly busy place, all in that illustrious hunt for gold. However, as the gold got harder and harder to find in the deep reefs, the town started to dry up. But some families continued to struggle on through there. And by the 1900s, the heyday of the town is well and truly over. The First World War then kills off most of the young men who volunteered. And by the 1930s and 40s, the families that still lived there survived by cutting timber, rabbiting and fossicking. And then, when truck transport supersedes the bullock drays, and the shipments of wool no longer come down on the road through to Grafton, there is a plan to bypass the narrow, windy road that runs through to Glen Innes. And so, the Gwydir Highway was built in 1962, but by then, Dalmorton Village is just a memory.